Hey, food lovers. Today we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with a classic and flavorful dish, Spaghetti Aglio e Olio. Join me as I guide you through creating this simple yet delicious pasta right in your kitchen. Step 1 ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of spaghetti, half cup of extra virgin olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, sliced or minced, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a handful of chopped parsley, salt, and grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Step 2. Boiling the pasta. Cook the spaghetti in a large pot of salted boiling water until al dente, according to the package instructions. Remember to reserve some pasta water before draining. Step 3. Preparing the sauce. In a pan over medium heat, add the olive oil. Add the sliced or minced garlic and red pepper flakes. Cook until the garlic turns golden and becomes fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Step 4. Combining the pasta and sauce. Add the cooked spaghetti directly to the pan with the garlic and oil. Toss it well to coat the pasta thoroughly. If needed, add a splash of the reserved pasta water to create a silky sauce that coats the spaghetti. Step 5. Final touch and serving. Sprinkle chopped parsley over the pasta and toss it again. Season with salt to taste. Optionally, garnish with grated Parmesan cheese for an extra savory touch. There you have it, Spaghetti Aglio e Olio, a quick and flavorful pasta dish perfect for any day of the week. It's simple, delicious, and bursting with Italian flavors. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding ingredients like sautéed mushrooms, shrimp, or cherry tomatoes. Share in the comments below your favorite pasta dishes or any special tips you have for perfecting this classic Italian recipe.